So far in this course, we focus purely on the application layer. We've identified how applications are structured, how they communicate, what services they expect from the network. However, this week we're going to shift our focus over the transport layer. This sits directly beneath the applications and supports their communication needs. The goal of this section is to establish what the transport layer is responsible for, how it differs from the application layer, and why it exists before we examine specific transport protocols such as TCP and UDP. The transport layer operates below the application layer and provides communication services that applications rely on. Rather than defining application behavior, the transport layer focuses on delivering data between processes running on different systems, while hiding many of the lower level details. Here's the thing that you need to understand. The application layer defines the rules and the logic of the communication, such as requests and formats and responses. The transport layer does not define application behavior. Instead, it provides that delivery service that applications can choose from, such as reliable delivery or the low latency transmission. This separation allows the applications to evolve independently of how the data is actually delivered. From the application's perspective, communication appears to happen directly between the processes. However, the transport layer creates this illusion of end-to-end communication, even though data must still traverse the multiple systems and networks underneath. The transport layer is responsible for managing how the data moves between those processes. This includes detecting errors, regulating data flow, and managing connections when required. These responsibilities allow the applications to focus on their own logic rather than handling delivery concerns directly. Applications have different communication requirements such as reliability, timing, and throughput, and we discussed this last week. The transport layer exists to provide these services in a very flexible way, allowing those applications to choose the level of support they need without redefining the delivery mechanisms by themselves.